mawaziri hotenete wizara ya Chisemi Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi OGAMBA nigo OENEKIRIE serikali wethera se wizara yaye nigo yabekire Emeroberio yogocha OKOBWATOKWA CHIBESA ochiase CHISUKURU kirache gokonya gukinia ebirengo by'ebirasi nabo igo gukinia Emeroberio aborokiwa ase CHISUKURU echo na kwenekia aborokwa nkonyora bare Chisemi nigo bono hatebire nigo Emeroberio yabekire yogocha kwenekia aborokiwa bonsi bari baikaransira amatemo abo yogocha gosoa ase grade ya 10 mbachie kwenekiwa yogocha Chisemi chabari borio okobwatekana no gochika kumurai bwense banyara kuba bagwikirana babwate school fees bose mbabwati.
It is indeed true that some of the schools have not had any students applying to them. So as a ministry, we are going to look at the exit data that we are going to receive after today so that we can be able to tell which schools have received which numbers and which other schools have not received any particular students, in order for us to be able to optimize and rationalize the resources that we have in the ministry in order for redistribution of those resources to ensure that the schools that have students have the adequate facilities to enable those students undertake their programs in an environment that is education friendly. We are doing a reform sector, and these particular challenges and issues that have come at the right time so that we can be able to resolve them. Yesterday, through the presidential we directed that all the principals in the country admit the students who had hitherto not joined school, whether they had school uniforms or there's fees outstanding. And we directed that the sub-county directors and our officers will collect the data of those students who have then joined in order for us to make a decision on how to handle that space going forward. This was a new placement system that we are using, and we anticipated these challenges. By yesterday morning, before that particular directive was given, we had placed a total of 92% of our students. So the 8% are the ones that had these challenges, and we're going to be able to resolve it. I'll urge the parents not to worry. The government has taken the duty to ensure that all our students are in school, and we've done 100%, or we're going to do 100% transition by today, and we'll make the right decisions based on the data that we'll get. So in a nutshell, I'm only saying that the government is committed to ensure that no child is left behind because of their condition in terms of availability of resources or issues relating to uniforms. Those are the programs that we are dealing with as a ministry and as a government. In terms of capitation, you very well know that this term, for the first time since the beginning of capitation was released to schools 2-3 days before the schools opened, and these principals here can confirm that fact. We released 44 billion shillings of capitation on the 2nd of this month when schools were opening on 5th. In terms of textbooks, as of yesterday, grade 10 textbooks, 50% of them had been distributed, and we intend to ensure that the balance is done within the next 2 weeks by the 31st of this month.